Introducing the revolutionary Zyllion Shiatsu neck and back massager cushion. With the Zyllion massager, it's easy to experience complete massage relief at home or in the office. The sleek design offers a premium-grade Shiatsu massage therapy to relieve achy muscles and improve blood circulation. With this advanced massager, you can customize your massage experience with 2 different sets of Shiatsu massage nodes, one for your neck and one for your back. The back massage nodes have 2 different settings. You can choose rotating Shiatsu massage or a relaxing rolling massage. Take your relaxation a step further and adjust the back nodes to separately target your upper back, lower back, or full back. You can also adjust the direction and height of the nodes in the neck feature to help you relieve muscle tension where you need it most. Elevate your massage experience and turn on the heat feature. There's even 3 levels of vibration intensity on the massage seat cushion to give you the complete massage experience. The Zyllion massager is covered under a 1-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try risk-free. Now, relax and experience a whole new level of at-home massage with the Zyllion Shiatsu neck and back massager.